Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Verizon Adaptive Sound which keeps turning on. So here's a guide to disable feature and app settings. Fix 1. Turn off Adaptive Sound. Open Settings, tap on Sound and Vibration or Sounds and Vibration. Select Sound Quality and Effects if available. Turn Adaptive Sound off. Fix to restart your phone, press and hold the power button, tap restart and check whether adaptive sound stays off after the phone restarts. Fix 3. Check accessibility settings. Go to settings, select accessibility, open hearing enhancements or hearing, disable any sound enhancement features you don't use. Fix 4. Update your phone. Open settings, tap on software update and select download and install. Install any available updates and restart the phone. Fix 5. Check for device care or optimization settings. Open settings, go to apps, review installed sound equalizer or battery optimization apps, disable or uninstall any app that may be controlling audio settings. Fix 6. Reset sound settings. If the issue continues, you need to reset your sound settings. Open settings, go to general management and select reset. Tap reset settings or reset accessibility settings depending on your device and confirm the reset. Fix 7. Boot in safe mode. Press and hold the power button. Touch and hold power off until safe mode appears. Tap safe mode. If adaptive sound no longer turns on automatically, a downloaded app is likely responsible. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.